In this video, I'm going to show you that how we can stop WhatsApp photos going into gallery. So this is called auto download. We need to stop it. What you need to do first is go to on your WhatsApp. After going to your WhatsApp, you need to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. After clicking on it, what you need to do is click on settings. Then you have to find out storage and data. Please make sure you watch the full video and follow every step I am going to show you so that you can stop WhatsApp photos and videos going into your gallery. So after that you have to click on storage and data. Then here you can see there is the option media auto download, like that. Here we need to stop all these options down. What you need to do first is going to click on this. When using mobile data, you have to click on it. Then a box will pop up. You have to uncheck all the box here, like that. Yeah, after uncheck all the box, you have to click on OK. Then you have to do the same here. Okay, then you have to do the same also here. So after doing this, after you have done this, you are ready to go. The WhatsApp will not auto download all the pictures and for videos on your mobile automatically. Okay, this is how you can do it. I hope you like this video and I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe this channel. Peace.